Hey, I'm Jerry. Every week I take one tech story that's blowing up and I pull it apart like an engineer running a post-mortem. What's the real core? What's just inflated hype? And what can you actually use? A startup knocked out John Deere with a tractor that has no touchscreen. I found 6 million fake GitHub stars and traced who's paying for them. AI that writes its own code, reviews itself, tests itself, and nobody's checking. The Pope wrote 90,000 words on AI that read like a code review of the entire tech industry. And your houseplant? Someone called it a quantum computer. So I checked the 95% claim. No fear-mongering, no anti-clickbait. Honest praise, honest criticism, always with the sources. Hand-edited by a real person. New story every Thursday. Subscribe and let's read the Issues tab together.